What's good, y'all? We got Cordis. Now, Cordis has been a very interesting group, at least from debut, where I'm like, I need to watch more. I want to know more. They're so young, first of all. They're like 17 under or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments down below. It's impressive. I feel like in such a short amount of time, it makes me want to know what's next already. And I think that's a good thing, especially for a new group that's like coming up and everything, right? So we're checking out Lullaby, and then I checked out Joyride in the past on my Twitch live streams, which you guys should check out. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Also, in more important news, I've been checking out their documentary, and I think I saw them like some behind the scenes in that little documentary that I've been watching on Patreon. It's up for free. You guys go check it out. Link in the description. Where they showed their creative process, and I like watching that, and I've been enjoying it. It seems like you guys have been enjoying watching me watch it, my commentary. So if you guys want to join in and watch it and join the Patreon, it is free to join. You can also subscribe for $1 if you want to support your boy. And then also, in more important news, listen, I'm doing a giveaway. Being up with a K-pop store that I trust called Music Plaza, and we're giving away 3 different versions of Cordis's EP album, but to one person. It's only through Instagram. So be sure to check out my Instagram at JustRandomEveryday, or the K-pop store's Instagram at Music Plaza. That is at Music Plaza. To join into the giveaway, all you gotta do is tag 2 friends, follow both accounts, and tell me what's your favorite song so far. What I wanted to say is, my favorite song still might be Go in Fashion, but I feel like I appreciate Lullaby and Joyride and What You Want as well. I think as a whole, the EP itself gives me more excitement to see what's next. And this is coming from a K-pop fan that's been listening to K-pop for years now, like a long time. Like I'm old. So I'm very interested in Cordis. I love that it says directed by Cordis and Idiots. But without further ado, let me stop yapping. Let's go check it out. We're checking out Lullaby first, and then you're going to see Twitch live stream of me checking out Joyride. And yeah, be sure to check out the giveaway on Instagram. Follow me on Patreon for more Cordis content, long form content. And yeah, be sure to like and share and subscribe and comment what's your favorite song. All right, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Directed by Cordis and Idiots. It's a Coca-Cola, like, oh, where are they shopping at? I see, that's cool. Having like a camera, whether it be like a GoPro or something like that on it. Dang, they got milk. What kind of chips are those? Are they scanning it as well? Oh, like, so. Wait, is that Walgreens? I don't even know what that is. It don't matter. I remember this. I haven't listened to this in a while. Actually. Talk about it. Dang. Interesting. Seeing the back of his head. I like that shot, actually. Sorry. I remember they rigged this camera shot up. It was at least I remember at least one part was like, it looks so like not last minute, but it's just like tape wrapped around it just so it'll be steady from the perspective of the Coke bottle, or sorry, can. I know maybe people might say like, oh, I don't like the auto-tune, but that's a form of art as well. Pete. What is Pete? Oh, shit. God dang. Hey, just boys being boys, y'all. Oh, they just knee him in the nuts. What the hell? They got a knee. Bah! Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. Oh, no. Bro, they wilding out. Oh, there's the tall ass Martin. He's more than just tall, y'all. He's talented. Ooh. Whoa, what a What a perspective. The hell? That's so cool though.
It's a lullaby. It's a lullaby.
They all taking a sip. I like the part. True.
But in this moment, quiet first. I got work, it's free. You got
It does feel like summer vibes too. Ooh.
but in
This moment. Ooh.
quiet first.
Hey, yo, that's crazy. That's kind of crazy. He's still on. Interesting. Period.
It's a lullaby. It's a lullaby.
That's fire. The lifespan of a soda can. Basically, they basically did. Whoa, that's a Pixar movie right there. The lifespan of a soda can. Lullaby. Song, I like it. I feel like I haven't listened to Lullaby a lot. I feel like I'm gonna do it now because of just by reading the lyrics. But music video was so interesting, especially when it's like from them too. Lullaby, everybody. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Lullaby by Cordis. Do you have a favorite song? Are you more of the hype version of Cordis? Even in Lullaby, they have a hype part like right here. Sorry, my dogs are barking. Oh my god. Not my dogs, but my roommate's dogs. But I call them my dogs. If you hear them. It is their sharing. That's right. Sharing. Bite the apple, his shirt says. That's crazy work. Oh my god, what a pause. I'm sorry. Ow. I know that's staying his eyes. Just get in the water, But it's boys being boys, you know, like it's a little bit, but it is what it is. Oh, what was I looking for? Bro, I got distracted by the music video in this moment. But there was some hypeness in the slower, sadder song, I guess. Anyways, that's dangerous too. You see that? That's a small pool. I mean, it's a nice pool, but it is small to be doing all that. All right, y'all. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Cordis' Lullaby. I feel like watching the documentary makes me look into like the songs and the creation of like the music videos a lot more. I like appreciate it a lot more, which that's what I'm doing on Patreon. Be sure to check it out. It's free to follow. And yeah, without further ado, let's go into past Dre to check out Joyride. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, somebody was screaming. I don't know. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're gonna be checking out Cordis Joyride official MV. I think I'm a little late, but you know I love me some Cordis. Freaking go fashion. The whole EP, the album, mini album, fire. They have a lot of potential, and they're already making some noise. So we got Cordis. Does it stand for color outs? Is it color outside of the line? Without further ado, we're gonna check out Joyride. If I remember correctly from this EP, this is more of a slower song because everything else has been like really like hyped up in your face. I love it. But Joyride. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Yeah. Oh, it's reversed. Oh, what happened? Is that a car crash? A comet. Look at Martin with his tall ass. The hell is that? Oh, everything's in reverse. Shut up. Okay. Delivery? Joyride. This is such a good, like, summer anthem type of vibe, too. Wait, it's all... no, they're not reversing anymore, right? These are blueprints? Oh, well, that's reversed. MJ ever since 23. Interesting. Begins Lang's Road. Okay, now that's going back. Oh, wait, what are these blueprint things? Sorry, I'm like pausing. I know you guys hate that. Oh, these are all Easter eggs, isn't it? God dang it. I forget the map. About that. Alright, bet. Damn, they gonna crash? Top down, right into the sunset like song. Yeah. Wait, his tall ass touching the roof. Big as hell. Sorry. Just stands out so much. I love the door. Huh. Oh, that's the white like blanket that was covering, but it was flowing in the that's it? And then comets? At the end? At the beginning, I mean? A controlled systems override designed to explore low probability, high imagination vectors. Logic is suspended to stress test irrational scenarios under real conditions. Failure is expected. Data is harvested. This is not leisure. It's pre-operational anomaly mapping the intent to disrupt known limits. Oh, nah, y'all got me thinking. Yeah, color outside the lines. Okay, so Cordis is that. Color outside the lines. What the hell? Does anybody know what the hell? Just an Easter egg? It was the card they effed up in fashion. Oh, it is. Oh my God, it's been a minute. Interesting. Let me go back again. Hold up. Wait, is it lagging a little bit just because I put it in 4K? Let me double check. Oh no, it's going like that. I feel like my computer or I think the monitor can't handle it. God, it's thinking. Big head guys thinking again. Just more lore. Oh my God. What this has meaning? Detect incoming forces. This thing's hitting him? Prepare for contact. Oh God. And this is what dropped. The hell's this? Did we learn about that too? Listen, I'm a casual. I feel I just like the music, but I think I'm too dumb to figure this out. Yes, I'm gonna say that. Someone help me. I don't like pausing when I see the video. I fixed that bother by making sure I watch the MV on my own before watching a reaction. It's not a hard fix. That's what I'm saying. Stop being so mad when I pause. Go watch the music video by itself. Think outside the box. Oh, color outside the lines equals think inside the box. Hold up, I'm gonna see the comments. Literally feels like I'm watching a mini coming of age film. Does it? Every scene looks like a straight out of a youthful road trip story full of freedom, colors, and spark of adventure that you never want to end. Ooh. Oh, man. I feel like Cordis is going to be a force. They already are a force. My God. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Cordis Joyride. If you haven't listened to the song already, I've listened to the song already. This is just my first time watching the visual. I mean, the song itself does feel like friends going out to like enjoy like a road trip, right? But what the hell? The hell? Mounting procedure for a non-stable engine unit. Oh no, we're gonna find some. We're gonna have to look back on this. Somebody help me out here. All right, President Dre right here. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to join the giveaway. Join the giveaway. It's on Instagram at JustRandom and I'm teaming up with Music Plaza at Music Plaza. We're giving away 3 different versions of Cordis's EP. 3 different versions, but it's all going to one winner, bro. That's crazy. So you're getting all of them, bro. It's going to be a big giveaway. It is a big giveaway. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.